The top video, pay attention right above the water. There's a mirage. It inverts whatever's above it and hides whatever's behind it. Now pay attention to these boats. Notice how the mirage is mirroring what's above it with them also. Zoomed out, you can't see any boats. Zooms in, there's a boat on the horizon. But pay attention to the boat and ask yourself, does it look like this boat is going over and being hidden behind the curve? Or does this boat look like it's literally floating above the water? Be honest. Of course, the boat is driving on the water. Problem is, the water is being hidden by the mirage. This boat is approaching, flying above the water, in full view. Watch the sun right here, and you can see how powerful that mirage effect is. The science explanation for why this phenomenon exists is gravitational lensing. They claim that gravity can bend light, and you can see stuff that is beyond the curve. Watch when he zooms out, you can't even see the boat. This one here, all you can see is the mast sticking out of the water. It's because the mirage is hiding the boat. You can see a little bit of it if you look really hard. That boat way off in the distance behind it is floating above the water. More of that gravitational lensing, huh? We are not on a spinning ball. Spherical geometry claims that if you're 6 foot off the ground, you can't see more than 3 miles. They're lying. Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just showing y'all what I found.